Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a DIY Disney Advent Calendar. So it looks like this, and there are actually ornaments that you can hang on your tree, which I think is so cute and is perfect for any Disney fan, be it yourself or if you're making this as a present. This actually isn't a food recipe, it's more of a DIY video, but I thought it was really cool, so I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm going to show you how to make these little ornaments, and we're actually going to be filling it with the Tsum Tsum, it's like the weirdest name and I love it at the same time, a little Tsum Tsum Advent Calendar. It was on sale, not on Boxing Day, which is what I was going to say, for Black Friday, and I thought it'd be the coolest thing to fill them with. And actually, it turns out my dogs love them. They're the perfect size toys for my dogs. They have gone crazy over the toys, so I'm going to insert some footage here if you guys want to see it. But yeah, so I'm going to have a link below. Hopefully it's still on sale if you want to pick it up. Or you can always add some candy or anything that you like inside because the containers are still Disney themed. So let's get started. So first things first, what you're going to need are these little plastic ornament containers. And so I got them off Amazon. And so I'll have them linked in the description box below if you want to pick them up. It's like 2 halves and they go together like that. I think these are you need a specific size if you want to use the Tsum Tsums. They are 80 millimeters in diameter, and that's the perfect size to fit the little Tsum Tsums, but they also have smaller ones, or there are some that come in a variety of sizes, so it's totally up to you. But if you want to put the little stuffed animals in there, this is the really perfect size for them. So you want to get these and you want to paint the insides of them black. Now the reason we're painting the insides and not the outside is so that it still looks nice and pretty and shiny on the outside, and it looks very clean and like professionally made. So that's why I did that. You don't have to do it, you can paint it on the outside, but I prefer the inside. So I'm painting it black to match the ears. You don't have to do that, you can paint them any color that you like, but I thought that like having a consistent color would make it look nice and pretty and clean, but it's totally up to you. So I just used some paint. I'll link the paint that I used below, as well as a sponge, just because it tends to streak when you paint it. So using a sponge helps prevent the streaking. And then you just want to leave those to dry. I left mine overnight, or just maybe like 2 or 3 hours to make sure that they're completely dry, because you don't want to get whatever you're putting in them covered in paint. And then all you need to do next is fill them with whatever you like. You could also put in some chocolate or candies or little messages or anything that you like, and just seal them up. And then you want to grab some black colored foam, or whatever color you would like Mickey's ears to be. I use foam, little foam mat thingies, and I got them from the dollar store, so they're super easy to find. And I just cut them into little ear shapes and hot glue those onto the ornaments. And you want to make sure that you place them either before or behind, or in front of or behind like the seam of the ornament, because you want to be able to open the ornament as well. And then let those dry for about 10 minutes. And then we are going to be using the Vino markers that I used in Tuesday's video. On Tuesday I made a boozy advent calendar, so if you like alcohol, I feel weird saying that, but yeah, if you have an extensive alcohol collection, or you know somebody who loves their cocktails and you want to give them a cool gift, that advent calendar is really, really cool, and it turned into something. It turned into rainbow, which I didn't expect. But either way, in that video, we used some Vino markers, which are markers that can be used for glass, or I have learned that for plastic. So we're going to be using these markers, which I will link below, to draw Mickey's, are they like buttons? I think so. His little buttons onto the little baubles, as well as the numbers, because we're making 24 of these, so you can open one each day. So we're writing numbers 1 through 24 with red, and the little buttons with gold. In the packet, you also get silver as well, so if you want to use silver instead, that works as well. And yeah, then you just want to feed a ribbon through the top to hang them on your tree. Then hang them on a tree, and when the day comes, open your present, and you can do whatever you put inside. So like I said, my dogs love it, so I turned it into like a little dog toy for them. So as you can see, I'm opening it up, and Paddington and Treacle are like so excited, because I don't know what they are, but my dogs are Pomeranians, if you aren't familiar, and they're like, they range from 3 to 7 pounds. Paddington is the chunkier one. And they love those tiny like toys that are like this big, like perfect Tsum Tsum size. So I'm really, really glad. So I've cut off anything that isn't dog safe, and those are their Christmas presents. So one of them I'm I'm that kind of mother. They have so many presents coming. That's a separate video. That's actually going to be coming out on Christmas Day, what they got for Christmas. But the Tsum Tsum Advent Calendar is one of them. My dogs are spoiled. But yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope that you liked this video. Speaking of my dogs, Treacle's birthday video is coming tomorrow because it is her birthday today. Actually, as you're watching this, her first birthday is this year, November 29th. So yay, happy birthday to my little Treacle Chestnut. So yeah, if you want to see what she got for her birthday, if you want to see her throw a hissy fit because she didn't want to have her birthday party, that's coming tomorrow. So I hope you guys like that video. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell next to the button so that you get notified when tomorrow's video goes up, as well as my COOKMAS series, which is my Christmas series that I do every December, and I'm uploading every day from Monday to Friday until the 27th. So there are so many videos coming for you, and I would love for you guys to stick around, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.